Hey, it's Chef Robert here with Food Talk Friday edition number 13. Today we're talking about the health benefits of getting enough fiber in your diet. Most people don't get nearly enough fiber in their diet, and the main reason for that is because they eat too many processed foods. The SAD diet, or the standard American diet, consists of way too many processed foods, and those foods have the fiber taken out of them for the most part, and they also have a lot of unhealthy things in there, the main one being high fructose corn syrup. But let's talk about fiber and what are some of the benefits of getting lots of fiber in your diet. Well, healthy weight, it helps you maintain a healthy weight, lowers the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Uh, it also lowers the risk of hemorrhoids, diverticular disease, reduces blood pressure and inflammation in the body, and it helps you maintain an even blood sugar level because it'll slow down the absorption of sugar into your bodies in many cases. There's two types of fiber. There's soluble fiber, which is kind of gelatinous. It can be dissolved in water, and that helps. That's the kind of fiber that helps lower your cholesterol level. Then there's insoluble fiber, which promotes better bowel movement, better movement through your intestines, and prevents constipation. The other thing about insoluble fiber is it ferments in your intestines, and that helps keep your colon and your intestines uh, healthy. That contributes to healthy bacteria in there when it ferments. So one of the things I want to mention is that there is sorry about that, I got something in my eye. There is a fad diet right now that is called the paleo diet. And a lot of people think it's healthy. Well, it's not really healthy in the long term. It'll help you lose weight for sure, but it's kind of like the Atkins diet. And the problem with it is that you don't get enough fiber in your diet when you're on that diet. What happens, they recommend that you have, fruits and vegetables and meat. Basically, that's all that you eat. Well, I can, kind of agree on some of the dairy products aren't so great for you, but the legumes and the grains are where you get a lot of your fiber from, and that, you know, helps keep you healthy. So what happens in this paleo diet is that people just don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. They end up eating more meat and to fill up on, and they don't eat enough of the fruits and vegetables. And even if they did, they still wouldn't be getting a very well-rounded diet because there's so many other things in legumes and grains that are, B vitamins and protein and lots of different things in there. So uh, what how much fiber do you need on a daily basis? What you need is basically you need anywhere from 25 to 35 grams of fiber, and women can get by with less. Men need more. Men definitely need over 30, anywhere from 30 to 40 basically, but coming in around 32 to 35 is a really good, pretty good score. So let me give you an idea of how much fiber are in some different kinds of things. You can, on that paleo diet, you can find some things that have a good amount of fiber in them. For instance, a half a cup of green peas actually has 9 grams of fiber in it. So that's a pretty good one, but a lot of other stuff is pretty low. You can get 6 ounces of yams is almost 7 grams of fiber. And here's a cool one, dried figs. 3 dried figs has 10.5 grams of fiber in 3 dried figs. So you can get some good ones, but most of them are 3 or under. Some of the higher ones are corn on the cob. 1 ear of corn on the cob is about 5 grams of fiber. Broccoli is about, half cup of broccoli is about 4 grams of fiber. Carrots are about 3 to 3.5, depending. And so, if you're eating something like beans, though, beans can have anywhere from 15 to 19 grams of fiber in a cup of beans. And chickpeas, a cup of chickpeas has about 12 grams of fiber in it. So you can really see how those kind of things, and all your grains, all your whole grains and things, even a medium-sized potato has 5 grams of fiber in it, which, that's another thing that the paleo diet says not to eat. So what you need to do is eat more fiber to get up to that amount that you need. If you follow the regular food pyramid, you're going to get all the fiber in your grains and cereals. And just remember to not eat processed grains, eat whole grains, okay? I'll see you on next week's Food Talk Friday. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel here.